So yes, but when I saw this online, so I found it, it's a good, um, the highest one as a brand basically,
Hmm.
because the website was designed so well, and the way of taking the payment is literally new for me. So by
Okay.
choosing a course and then paying, so I
Mhm.
found it, little creative. So the way they communicated with me, I found it good. I found that, yes, they, and if they are speaking so good, I will be able to learn more from them. So
Oh.
I found this tell online.
And how do you find the course?
So it's really wonderful. It's helping me a lot, because earlier I was feeling, whenever I was conversing in groups, or whenever, even I'm not in a group, I'm just talking to a one person or maybe two, I usually fumbles. So, but yes, coming to this platform and learning virtually is new for me. I
Mhm.
was little nervous in the first go, because I have never heard learning English online. So yes, it's a new experience and it's really improving me. Yes, still, I will still say that I'm still short of words. I still fumbles, but that fear which was there in me has gone. I
Ah.
can speak. I fumbles, but I still speak.
You spoke about online speaking course being your first experience. So what do you think is better, face to face or online? How do you find this?
I think it doesn't matter if I'm learning it virtually or online is a good one, because I don't have to go anywhere. I'm just sitting at my place and I'm learning things. That is a big thing for me.
Okay, that's great. And
Yeah,
if you had to recommend this course and tell to someone, would you do that?
definitely I will, because I'm learning a lot,
Okay.
and you don't have to go out. There is no cost wherein you have to spend on petrol or diesel, or maybe anything. So I will definitely recommend. And one more thing, actually, I was just planning I mean, because I think it was my 16th day or maybe 17th day today, 16th
Okay.
day. I was just planning to um, go with it, and because it was just 20-day course, right?
It's not a 20 hours course. It's
20 hours,
basically, yeah, we do not repeat any topic. So even
yeah.
if you resubscribe, you will not
Mhm.
find the topic being repeated ever. So there are
Okay.
learners who are there with us since 40 hours, 80 hours, and they enjoy
Mhm.
it because we don't repeat the topics.